So welcome friends in this today's new video. In this video I am gonna tell you how could you make a snake game using Python programming. So this video is going to be very interesting for you. So watch till end. No wasting any more time. Let's start the video. So friends, you can see I have made a folder and I have used some elements for backend, that is background image, history.txt file, then it is the font file, it is the spec file, it is the music file, and two music file I have used. We will use VS Code for code editing purposes. So we will open this folder in VS Code. We will make a file snake.py. After making it, we will write the code for this snake game. After that, after writing the code, I will explain you the code line by line so that it will be easier for you to understanding purposes. After that, we will run the code and see how the snake game is working. So friends, the writing is finished. So you can see guys, I have written import. I have imported pygame, random and OS. You have to download it, random, pygame and OS. You have to write here pip install pygame. Okay, you have to write this very carefully. After that, you have to press the enter key. Actually my already it is installed, so it is showing that notice. So okay, after that you have to install random in the same manner and OS also in the same manner. This code creates a simple snake game using pygame, allowing players to control a snake to eat food and grow while avoiding collisions. The score is displayed and high score is maintained across multiple game sessions. Okay, so at first we have done here initialization. After that we have done it just setting the game window. We have game title and the window we have set up. After that we have loaded a background image. After that we have defined functions, game title, that is text screen, welcome window. We have defined the functions, game loop, plot snake, welcome, text screen. We have this thing we have done. After that we have the welcome screen also. After that we have main game loop 1, that we have done that game loop. Okay, so that a game go on in a loop session. Okay, after that we have handled the file. We have high score file we have made, that is 0, because for default value of the high score will be 0. After that it will increase time by time. We use audio, that is song 2 and song 2 mp3. Okay, I have used this audio. You can download this full code from the description link. There is given a link, download link. You can download it from there. Okay, so now it is a time to run this game and see whatever it is working or not. So hope you understand the game, understand the functionality of the game, understand how Python works. If you want to see Python programming, you can go to my channel and check out the playlist of Python programming. From there you can learn Python. So that's it for the video guys. Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to comment down and share your thoughts regarding this video. So till then, goodbye, have a nice day.